Dochub versus Pandadoc. Hi guys, in this video we're going to be comparing Pandadoc with Dochub. So let's get into it. So as you can see, they're both very similar. They're both softwares that you use to add your e-signatures onto documents, to read documents, send documents, convert PDFs, and all of the good stuff. And the main difference that comes down to is pricing and the features that they provide. So over here, as you can see, Dochub starts with a free plan, and then it has a second plan, which is a pro plan, and it starts at $10 per month. In the free plan, it gives you 5 e-signatures, 3 signed requests, and 3 email attachments, whereas in the Pro plan, it gives you unlimited everything. And in Pandadoc starts as $35 per month. Key features are unlimited documents uploads and e-signatures, templates, real-time tracking, rich media drag and drops, document analytics, and 24/7 email supports. And then you have the business, which is $65, and then you have the enterprise, which you have to contact them and get the price as well. So it is apparent that Pandadoc is much more expensive, but it also gives you a bunch of different features that Dochub doesn't. Dochub you mainly gives you signatures and email requests and attachments with which you can just simply electrically sign your documents, whereas in Pandadoc you can do a bunch of other stuff as well. And over here, as you can see, the dashboard of both of them is very different. Dochub is very simple, whereas Pandadoc has much more stuff going on over here. So at the end of the day, you can just simply come over here and choose it for yourself, whichever you think it works best for you. Pandadoc also gives you a 14-day free trial, but if you don't want to avail that, you can just simply go ahead and buy the plan and continue working. So over here you have the template gallery. You will see the Dochub does also has a template gallery as well. And over here you can see all of the documents and templates that you can use to create your own documents, your own invoices, healthcares, brochures, whatever it is that you want to create. You can also create different automations as well, so the user can see they also have automation options as well. They have a marketplace and template gallery as well, whereas Dochub is very simple. Over here is the template section. There isn't a lot of stuff in the template section. You can see you can use reusable forms and distribution, so you have to create your own templates and save them. They won't provide you with any templates. So they're both very different, but it is apparent that the cheaper version does exist, but it does not have a lot of features and stuff in it, whereas Pandadoc has a lot of cool stuff, but it is a bit expensive, so it depends on you. So let me know in the comment sections what you think is better, Dochub or Pandadoc. It comes down to personal choice and personal preference. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.